Korean Chinese restaurant.
That's awesome.
I know. Voice activated and great gas mileage.
Much better than choosing voice activated or great gas mileage.
I feel like eating sweet or sour chicken.
Yeah.
Oh. What is this? Sour chicken. It's good, right?
I think I like and better.
And is better. The 2014
Well, shut off arrow if you're not going to pay attention.
Fuel economy and a whole lot more. Go further.
Get this, the iPhone's on Virgin Mobile with no contract.
Yeah, but you don't
She's
need
distracted by the light. She said, what? You're putting a glare on my screen.
That's too bad you just got that.
Stop!
Taxi! You have my phone!
Look at the screen.
Hey, look, I don't want any trouble here. Just take it.
Don't need a new phone? Yeah, you do. iPhone 5 on Virgin Mobile without a contract. Unlimited data and messaging included. Just $30 a month with exclusive auto pay discount.
How far would you go for the ones you love?
Life never looks simpler than it did from right here. I want to be with you.
Not gonna be all sunshine and roses.